Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use pipelines and sales opportunities. In the iGlobe CRM homepage, you will find a purple pipeline block. Once you open it, you will have an overview of your sales opportunities. In each sales opportunity, you will see the title, company name, follow-up date, responsible person, probability, end date, and the sale amount. On the bottom, you will see another 3 functions. The Mail icon allows you to create an email with a link to this specific opportunity. With the Star icon, you can add it to your favorites. The last icon enables you to create a planner task based on this opportunity. All sales opportunities can be easily edited by double-clicking on them or by clicking on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Here you can edit any details. Notice, the phase can also be quickly changed by dragging it to another one. You can search through your sales opportunities in the search bar and filter your search based on the responsible person. Let's have a look at the top ribbon. The first button allows you to create a new sales opportunity. Here you have to fill in the required information and click on Save. You can also save this opportunity while creating a planner task. The second button allows you to edit any sales opportunity. In order to do that, select your desired one by clicking on it and then click on the Edit SSO button. The third button allows you to export any items, which must be selected first, and then you can click on the Export button. The next button enables you to quickly create a planner task. Don't forget to select the opportunity first. The last button can be used in order to create a new bucket of a plan. All pipelines can be customized in the Admin button in the navigation pane on the right side. Click on the field and select SSO. Here you can make changes in different categories. All categories can be removed or added to your SSO list based on your preferences. You can also change the details of individual columns, such as their name and position. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!